Good evening and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. In particular, the Gran Destino Tower. We're actually going to go for a room tour today. Join me. Why don't you? Let's go. And there's different areas of this resort. The older areas like the Rancho and then Casitas, but the newest addition is the Gran Destino Tower, completed just a few years ago. So we're going to head on inside and see what the rooms are like. And this is a moderately priced resort, and as of today's video date, there's some specials on there. You can get the rooms for about $260 plus tax, so right about $300 with all the fees. Not too bad. This here is the main lobby, very beautiful, very ornate. And that's the front desk right over there. But we're gonna head over to the elevators. And specialty dining, the Toledo and Dahlia Lounge. And this here is the lobby area, very ornate, very well decorated. Front desk is straight ahead. And the lounge is just down below. Let's head on up. Oh, and the technology on this is pretty awesome. So I'm on the 3rd floor. And it directs you to which elevator is most efficient. So in this case, it's going to be B. Okay, I just have to do this one more time. This is really awesome. So you touch the screen, it's the 3rd floor, and it's telling me go back to B in this case. So it knows which floor you're going to because there's no buttons. Check that out, isn't that awesome? Patterned carpet, a lot of oranges and browns, and ceiling fixtures to match. Let's see where we're going. This here is guest laundry. Full laundry facilities. It smells nice and fresh and clean like cotton in here, and it has one of the touch-free pay points with lots of washers and dryers. Current price as of today's video date is $3 to dry. I'd have to go back and take a look and see what washing costs. And all of your detergents and softeners. What does it cost? $1. You know, it's kind of funny, at one point, especially over in Disneyland, over the Grand Californian Hotel, it's actually complimentary, it was free. So here we are getting nickeled and dimed, but let's see. Yeah, $3, there we go. So $3 to wash, $3 to dry, and $1 per soap dispenser thing there. Nice flat screen TV while you're doing your laundry too. All right, so welcome to today's adventure stop here at the Gran Destino Tower at Walt Disney World's Coronado Springs Resort. Currently at room 379. Gonna take our newly purchased Magic Band Plus Star Wars and use it to open the door. And would you take a look at that? Well, this one's gonna be a little bit longer one, everyone, because I think there's a lot of detail to this room. This room is beautiful. First off the bat, as you make your way through the entry, we have one of those sliding barn doors. Very modern, very sleek in design. Super clean lines. Gonna first start with the bathroom, the commode, and of course the touch of class, one of my favorite things. Nice modern artwork that matches the hallway. Plenty of towels. Dual sinks, also still featuring the Disney H2O. And as we pull back, would you take a look at the detail in that shower? Nice tempered glass, more H2O products in there. But look at that attention to detail, and that's what I'm talking about. That's what I expect in a hotel room. That is nice, okay? Super clean. I wouldn't say eat off the floor, but you almost look like you probably could actually. And kind of a retro accent design right in there. Nice rain shower type of waterfall shower head in there with the attachment. Nice tile there. As we move our way in, no carpet as you can see. It has, I believe, vinyl flooring as we make our way to the standalone wardrobe. And it's lighted as you can see as well. Daily laundry services provided, extra blanket and pillow, and an ironing board of course. A steam iron that actually has a carry bag and an in-room safe. And that there is a luggage rack. You have your individualized Keurig coffee maker featuring Joffrey's coffee here, also labeled with Walt Disney World. Ice bucket, coffee cups. There are ice machines right outside there as well. Nice little desk area to do some work in. Alright, nice big flat screen TV. I'd estimate the size being about 55, maybe 65 inches there. And one of those cool recyclable containers where it separates the trash from the recyclables. And a nice view of the lake outside, which is really awesome. I'm looking forward to that, and the sunrises in the morning. This here is a pull-out couch, so if you have extra guests, you can definitely make extra. Just kidding. Yeah, no. So, if you have extra guests, they're gonna sleep right on there with extra pillows that you can find up in the standalone wardrobe there. USB ports there to charge your devices and plugs. And I guess I just happened to score with a huge king-size bed with accent lighting up above the headboard there, and an accent mirror. It's got one of those cool digital smart thermostats. And what's under the bed? Oh, look at that. Interesting. The underside of bed. There you go. What's in here? All right, just what I was expecting. The mini fridge. Fantastic. So pretty much has all of your amenities. Alright, with that said, I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at Coronado Springs Gran Destino Tower. If you liked today's video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure.